Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on night mode on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on night mode on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app guys, in order to turn on the night mode, at the top left corner of your screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon. And on this interface guys, you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and again over here scroll down a little bit, you can see there's the chat settings available for us just above the privacy and security. Tap on chat settings, and over here again you can find the switch to night mode option available for us just on the category of color and theme over here. Tap on the switch to night mode and the night mode on your Telegram will be turned on. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn on night mode on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.